Well, here we are at a rest stop for the night. We're actually near Quartzite, and there's a pretty bright overhead light at this rest stop, and I'm certain these are bats flying around feeding on the mosquitoes, but they have like a really weird, I don't understand it. It's like a really weird light underneath there, or like a see-through wing, and at the close to the tip of their wing, they have like this glowing, it's almost like it's a light, but it's refracting the light that's shining down, and I don't know, the wings are too see-through to be birds, but they don't seem to have the same shape as a bat. Here, I'm gonna see if I can turn the camera around and show you. I don't think I'm gonna get a good enough shot. Oh, that's a bat for sure. Yeah, his shape, the wing shape on him was totally different. Well, are there big bats and little bats? What is that? Problem is my camera's not going to focus. But yeah, whatever they are, they're fast. And there is a little bat there too. And maybe some bigger bats. Come over here, buddy. Anyways, we are setting up here to go to sleep. It's going to be a hot night. It already feels like, I don't know what, 30 degrees. And this is winter. I don't get how they can put up with it here. They have a big warning here though. Tell you, there's a reason why I enjoy living in Canada. There's like 4 kinds of insects, although one of them is the mosquito. None of them are ones that will try to take your life, just a little bit of your blood. But we're going to go to sleep. Tomorrow we head to Yuma to cross the border. We'll video this. We're going to go to our dentist. We'll video what it's like when we cross and are walking on the Mexico side. And a little bit of the dentist if we can get it. Don't want to gross you out though, because I know I don't like the blood and guts. Although really tomorrow I think I'm just getting impressions. Marilyn is getting her crowns, and then tomorrow's Monday. On Wednesday I come back and get my crowns, and then we start heading north through California. We're going to stop by some auto wreckers, see if we can find some more parts for this jalopy. Yeah, we'll keep you up to speed and take you with us when we get up in the morning. Gonna watch some Netflix. I think Marilyn wants to watch some of her guilty pleasure, and we'll see you tomorrow. No, gracias. Todo bien. Well, we're a little bit early. Marilyn was closing the door because the border guy who opened it didn't close it properly. But yeah, again, just kind of waltzed through. It was literally a 3-minute time crossing.
They don't usually seem too concerned coming into Mexico. They're mostly concerned about drugs, I think.
Well, the first time we came, they went through, they had a dog come and sniff out the van, but it was at night.
Yeah, we came in at night. I think that was a big difference.
Yeah. Either way, it wasn't a problem. They just sniff around and look at stuff and lift stuff up and look in cupboards. And this time he wanted to know what was in our fridge. I couldn't understand what he was asking. Sounds like he's asking.
I heard plantia and then something with an M, and I think he was asking
mushy,
about,
it sounded like he said.
Misius or something. But once we opened our fridge, then he'd be like, okay.
Yeah, we just let him look inside, and he was like, good to go. And yeah, going back is always a little more rigorous. Still, like, not a problem at all. Anyways, we're early to our appointment, hoping that we can get in. Yeah, last time I had they put those metal caps on the teeth part. I have a video of it. Not sure I'm going to put it in here because it might be gross, but at the same time, like, it's interesting to see how the process works. And then these teeth here are fake. They're going to be coming out. This is the last time I'm going to have this. They call it a partial. I'm going to have my crowns on. It will be awesome. I'm going to have some other like basic filling work done as well. Once that's done, oh, and I had some whitening done. I do have some work on the back teeth that I might do implants on as well, just because the cost of doing anything with it in like even a root canal, or if I get fillings a few times, it's the same price as an implant. So
And again, we're self-employed, so we don't have plans.
Yeah, we don't have benefits.
Yeah, we don't have benefits, but so sometimes a lot of that stuff is taken care of for other people in Canada.
But benefits will never cover implants.
Not usually, yeah.
Because they're considered cosmetic.
But I mean, they would cover fillings and stuff.
Yeah. But a bulletproof health and dental plan sometimes will cover up to 50% of implants. But like those are only the best of the best, and you're paying, you know, hundreds of dollars a month for those. We're going to have this done once, and my understanding is that implants, once they're in, really there's zero maintenance to them. They don't get cavities, they don't rot, they come off sometimes.
I do think that you still have to like take care of your teeth. Like good oral hygiene is still important.
Oh yeah, because you've got gums, obviously.
Exactly,
but I mean, as far as the tooth goes, you're not going to be needing to have a tooth pulled or spend $350 on a filling on that
unless you're
tooth.
chewing on rocks or something.
Yeah. If you're chewing on rocks, you got bigger problems. So don't go to the dentist, go to a psychiatrist. Yeah. So we're going to go in and get the work done and then hit the road. Our next step is heading up through California. We're going to stop and see a van life friend. We're also going to stop and see a family member of mine that I haven't seen in a long time.
And some auto wreckers.
And then auto wreckers, because we want to get a factory knock sensor. Anyways, we're going to go get our teeth finished. See you soon.
2 hours later.
Okay, well here we are. Here, take this. We're just heading to the border crossing. It's actually not a really big lineup, so we're going to be through probably in about 15 minutes. And yeah, the people are here selling all kinds of stuff. It was actually pretty slick. I got my teeth whitened. Anyways, we're just about there, so we're going to have to turn this off, but we'll chat in a bit.